Hello again, it's Noob, and well, I just bought this Chubb 70mm shutter lock on eBay. I try to get as many of these old Chubb locks as I can. I don't think that they are technically made by Chubb. I think these were made by another company for Chubb. That's the impression I get from this type of lock. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. The fact is, Chubb is a pretty good name in locks, and they don't make locks anymore. So getting hold of this new old stock stuff for me is really good fun. So let's explore this one. I mean, the plastic's a bit yellowing. It's definitely taken a bit of a knock in the post. But let's try and ease out of its packaging. Oh wow, the plastic is a little bit disintegrating as I'm cutting it, but it's okay. Let's get all the way up. Let's see if we can get that out. Have I done enough? Ow. Yes, I think I have. Right, let's leave the key in there. We don't want to see the key just yet. And actually, saying that, I need to get the cardboard out so we can. There we go. Clean up a bit. What is this lock then? This says it's a twin hinged pad bar and padlock. Is that all it says? What else does it say? Anything good about the lock? Look, there you go. Look, imported by Chubb, not made by Chubb. It doesn't really say a lot about it or its security, from what I can tell. Would have expected at least something about how secure this lock is. It doesn't really have any information at all. Oh, that's interesting. All right. Fair enough. And we are attached to this pad bar, which is like double articulated. I haven't really worked out how that's supposed to work. Interesting. All right. Well, I guess I'll have to hold the whole thing in hand somehow and hope for the best. Right. Okay. Let's see if it takes my. Oh. This is gonna be awkward. Let's see if it takes my tensioner of choice and have an explore inside. Maybe this. Oh, okay, straight into a full set. Trying to get. Oh, is it the back pin there? Yeah. Okay. Is it that one? No, I dropped the pin at the back. I don't know how many pins this has actually. Is it 5? This one? I don't know. I think that these pins are a bit low set for this gem, truthfully, but I'm going to try and fight through anyway. Using that. Do you know what? I might actually have to swap down to a more shallow hook because that gem is really fighting to get underneath these pins. There we go. That feels better. That feels much nicer. Yeah, these pins at the back just seem very, very low. So because I use quite a thick tensioner, I am not getting under these pins very easily. And they're all spools, which is nice. Don't get me wrong. I'm appreciating the spools in the lock. There we go. So who's left over? Pin number 1? If it is, that's really high up. Maybe for the pin number 1 I need the gem. Oh yeah, it is. There we go, and we're open. Wow, that was awkward. I really need to look at that key. That was strange, but I could really feel. Can I get that off? Sorry about the noise. Okay. Ah, got it. Right, there we go. That was really strange. So let me explain what's going on there. This Peterson gem is, let's call it a medium hook. Really nice. Love the angles on it. It's great pick. But it's a tiny bit taller than this. I just grabbed this. Which one's this? This is the 20,000th Sparrow short hook. Okay, literally just grabbed it out of my kit. I was like, oh, I need a shorter hook, so grabbed it out of my kit. And what's happening? I could feel that I was oversetting pins at the back of this lock. That I was, getting those full sets. I was picking the pins, but as I was just pushing into the I don't know which pin, 5th or 6th pin, I don't know how many pins this lock has yet, I could feel that I was oversetting and then losing some of the set. So I need to swerve to a more shallow hook to get underneath those pins. I think that my choice of tensioner was not great. Maybe I should use top of the keyway. That would give me more room to wiggle around in the lock. But let's have a look at the key now. What have we got here? Okay, well that would sort of explain it. These cuts are quite low. So where would they be in the lock? Close it up. So yeah, they would be, some of those cuts there would be really, so some of those pins set at about this height. So just by putting in this gem, you're already sort of on the verge of setting or oversetting those pins as it is. And then pin number 1 was really, really high set. Yeah. Cool. How many pins is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 5 pins. Okay. Not bad. Lots of spools in there, which is appreciated. I guarantee if I pick that again with, especially in a vice with top of the keyway tension, that should be picked in seconds. But otherwise, pretty nice lock, I have to say, with the Chubb logo on it. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.